Hey guys, good evening. I just want to talk to you a little bit. For those of you that are going to do the state competition job interview, this is the information that you need to know. So we're just going to go over where you can find it, what you need to complete on your own, and then when it has to be done. What you're looking at right now are the specifications from Pennsylvania DECA on what is to be included in the job interview. So you're going to have to complete on the spot a job application as part of your assessment while you're there at DECA. We've got a sample one in this folder for you. The other thing you want to make sure is that you need to make sure you have a pen so that you can complete your job application. You never want to do it in pencil for fear that somebody would possibly come in and erase some of the stuff that you wrote down. The other thing that you'll do before we go to states is complete a resume, and then you'll take 2 paper copies. We've got 2 different samples of student resumes for you, so we will start working on that in class. Beyond that, the position that you're going to be applying for is actually going to be one of a sales associate or a customer service associate at a store kind of like a 7-Eleven or a Wawa. So I actually have for you a job description for a customer service associate at Wawa so you can get a little better idea. So you're not applying to become the CEO, but it's actually just going to be a customer service associate. At States, you'll also complete 2 separate job interviews for the exact same position. So instead of doing a role play, you're actually going to be doing one of the job interviews. So let me show you where you can find all of this information. So first of all, let's come in here and take a look real quick on where we are. So we're going to be on our DECA page, and then we're going to be inside of our DECA competition practice materials, PA DECA only events, and then inside PA job interview. When we get in here, the file that we were just in was going to be that PDF that says PA job interview right here. We've got that customer service associate job description from Wawa, and that's going to be a great thing for you to look at so you can kind of figure out what would be different key things to talk about in your interview. We've got a sample job application here. I'd like you to open that up, print that out in class, and then work on filling that out. You want to work on filling that out to the best of your ability and using your best handwriting that you can. We might take a couple tries to get that right. We then have 2 different sample resumes for you, and we will work on your resume in class. So before we go, what we need to make sure we have, before we go to states, we're going to fill out a practice job application, and we're also going to make a good resume. When we get to states, while you're there, you're going to fill out the job application. That's kind of like your test, and then you're going to do 2 different role plays. That's going to leave you at states. You're going to do 3 total things when you're at states. It's a really great experience. I'm proud of you for giving it a shot, and we're here to help you along the way. Take care.